Okay, we are back on the Outlaw Cave Trail, about to dip down into the canyon, Blue Trout River, but that's not why we're here today. We fished last time. We didn't catch any of my fish on camera, we got some of Jeff's, but it's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about outlaws and gold.
Yep.
We're gonna be outlaws by finding the gold. That's what we're here to do today. As you can see, we're dressed for the part. I've got my cowboy hat, and I've got my Teddy Roosevelt riding a moose, eagle, or bear shorts for creek crossings. Pretty much a good luck charm. And we're armed with several knives to defend against rattlesnake invasions. So it's about to get serious.
Ever since I was a little boy, the backyard has always been an exciting place to play. When I moved to Wyoming, the backyard became a wild, untamed realm of endless adventure. I'm Sean Parker, and this is Bighorn Mountain Country.
Here we are downtown Sheridan, Wyoming. Sean has invited us again to coffee. So this could be a casual coffee, or this could be God knows anything. But we'll find out. Oh God, not again.
Howdy, partners. Thanks for coming to see me.
Yeah.
So,
What is it? This looks familiar to me.
wait.
Nice.
Remember a few weeks ago, we went to the place with the holes and the rocks, and the holes in the rocks?
Yeah.
And the wall.
Wall. Yeah.
Yeah. We missed a few things. There were a few things we didn't quite figure out on the trip. We didn't find any gold. We did not find any pictographs or petroglyphs.
Okay.
And we did not actually enter Outlaw Cave. So I called BLM, talked to Bart, salt of the earth character, really great guy, gave some unbelievable advice of the Buffalo Field Office. He told me where the cave is.
One.
Where the gold is.
2.
Where the petroglyphs are.
3.
3.
We went 0 for 3 to 3.
3 for 3. So you average that out, that's batting 500. We're basically baseball all-stars.
Perfect, all right.
So are you in?
Sure, why not? Jeff? Yep. What, is this a whistle here?
Oh no, rattlesnake defense. I've got like 6 of these.
Let's get some coffee.
Okay, so are you ready to go?
Oh yeah, born ready.
Do we have any water?
I do not.
I don't need it. Sunscreen?
A little bit, yeah.
I have none.
I have a little bit in the plastic bag.
Bug spray?
No.
We're ready to go. We've just driven, roughly half a mile on really not a good road. No. Just a bad road. It's like driving on a coral reef. Yeah. Bad road, high clearance road. Definitely want 4-wheel drive out here. It's probably why these pictographs and petroglyphs have stayed so hidden.
Yeah.
Not easy to get to. So we don't really know if we found it. Not Bart's fault. Bart gave us great directions. More navigation issues that we've had in the past, but we're between some overhangs here. We've been told to look for the overhangs. We're gonna get out and hoof it. Hopefully we don't see any snakes, but we do see a lot of petroglyphs. Let's do it. Rattlesnake defense.
You want to take point, Sean?
Yep, let's go.
Where are we going?
Are we going there?
Yeah.
We're going to the hangout. I've got this just in case we see any snakes. It's not to hurt it. I would never hurt an animal. This is just to intimidate it enough to get off the trail. Oh, wow. Cool.
Oh my God. That's it though?
This is amazing.
It looks like...
We made it. This is Rock Art Cave. Our dreams have really come true. It's funny that we were here last time and we were only, half a mile away from this cave. This is amazing. These are thousands and thousands of years old. So looks like there's a turtle here. And we're not sure what this one is, but there's all sorts of these amazing symbols. It looks like a feather and another turtle.
Look at this guy.
Oh, this is incredible. don't know what any of these means. We're not experts. We really should have asked that archaeologist at Hole-in-the-Wall.
We have theories.
Many theories.
We have lots and lots of theories.
But she's escaped with all of our gold. But
we really are floored. This is amazing.
Amazing. So we're 1 for 3 today, so far. Pictographs, ancient wall art, checked off the list. So now it's just gold and outlaws. Outlaw business.
I think one of these details of prophecy. There's a guy, looks like, I'm sensing the name is like Sha'an or something. And then here's this giant rattlesnake. This massive rattlesnake. It looks like it's biting him. Biting him, biting him, biting him, biting him a lot, you know. And he's running and screaming, running away. I don't know what it means, but
it's a lot of biting for this ancient prophet Sha'an.
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, let's go.
Sounds suspicious. No, I'm good here. We are back on the Outlaw Cave trail, about to dip down into the canyon. No rattlesnake in the world can bite through Max's chest hair. That's a fact. So we found another cave. We've hiked, well over a mile down the river. It's been pretty spectacular. I don't know if there's a name to any of these, but because we were getting a shower, we're gonna call this Washtub Cave. Really amazing, really beautiful. Lots of caves, only one snake, not a rattler. Big win, big win. We've hiked a little more than a mile down the river to get to this big bend, this huge cave with the water running through the rock. We thought it'd be nice for a shower, maybe a sip, because you see that in the movies all the time. And I don't recommend it. It tastes terrible. It stinks. It's not good water. I don't know why I put that in my mouth. But really impressive. Lots of caves all the way through here. Only one snake, not a rattlesnake. Total win. Huge victory today.
Little baby.
Little baby. Still scared me. Don't like snakes. Did not have to use any self-defense techniques on them though. So all in all, great day. Great day. It'll take us about 2 hours to get out of here. We're gonna look for some gold, try and find some treasure, do a little panning along the way, and chalk this up to 2 wins out of 3 so far. We got this very versatile Stanley Cook set. If you're a fan of YouTube outdoor videos, you'll know that there are hundreds of Stanley Cook set videos out there, but I bet you nobody's ever used a Stanley Cook mug for gold panning. Let's do it. No gold, no riches. We've searched high and low. If there's gold out here, it's not looking to be found. But on a day like today, when we've hiked hard, we've searched high and low, we've explored caves and caverns and pictographs, a reward from our friends at the Sugar Boot is really the next best thing. Max, the original agreement, 70% for me, 30% for you, and whatever Jeff deserved would come out of your share.
That's not fair.
So I remember thinking that agreement was fair in my mind.
Yeah, well,
over and over.
Well,
so I think we should.
We're gonna have to settle it, right?
I mean,
Jeff,
there is one way to settle an agreement like this.
Are you talking about what I think you're talking about?
I think you know what I'm thinking.
Do you know what I'm thinking that you're thinking?
We're thinking the same thing, I think.
Battle.
Battle to the death.
Battle it is.
Me and all of my dreams dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me anywhere. All my days has turned to sand. A place with no start and no end. In my mind I see clear water, endlessly waiting for us. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me anywhere. Falling, wearing my crown.
To the fixer go. You're spoiled. I really wasn't too worried. Sean brought about 6 knives to a gunfight. And I tripped him once or twice when we were down by the river. Not that that gave me an unfair advantage, but best man won. That's it.